Jojo tankers. The ANC still supplies Jojo tankers after 32 years of democracy. The ANC is still failing to provide some decent infrastructure for its own people. Jojo tankers, the whole caucus.
Open!
Yay!
Yay!
Siyabonga kakhulu Chief iphathatha ithanga lakhe ajike nalo ake sizwe ngawo.
Okay, ngithatha lethuba ngizobingelela iofisi la ka Chief Whip, ngibingelele uMayor walakhaya kanye nani nonke enikhona.
The whole leaders of the ANC. This happened in Mpumalanga Provincial Caucus together with the Chief Albert Luthuli election team was in Ward 3 at the Zimilini Disabled Center, officially handing over Jojo water tanks as part of their commitment in improving access to clean water and saving our communities with water. So there's a lot that is happening there. There are new statistics that were done in Gauteng, shocking results. Bad news for the ANC. The ANC crashes to 18% in the latest Johannesburg polls. The ANC in Johannesburg is in trouble. No, wait, not only in Johannesburg, the ANC in all the 9 provinces is in trouble. Particularly now in Johannesburg, and the DA in Johannesburg, has come. Papa. So I want us to discuss that today. Welcome to this political YouTube channel. Welcome to Newsaluji. I'm your host, and I say you're welcome to join me. You can subscribe, share, and press the super thanks button, and you can comment in the comment section below. Remember, in all these things that you can do here, you don't pay even a penny. Let us start here. However, the pollsters stress that the figures should not be treated as a prediction of the final results of the 2026 election. The Johannesburg survey included 504 registered voters and was conducted between 8 to 31 July. It carries a margin of 4.4%. Researchers reflected the city's registered voter population and applied a turnout model when calculating likely voters' support. So the ANC, it is reported that it has even further declined, particularly in Johannesburg. This is not the national survey, but it is just targeting Johannesburg. So the ANC has fallen to 80% support in the latest Johannesburg voters poll. The DA leads the survey on 42%, putting it well ahead of its rivals. Let me just say something about the DA. The DA is on the ground. Helen Zille is working day and night. The DA and Gauteng, I'm telling you, the DA will make wonders in Gauteng. I believe that, because people are just tired of the ANC on how it treats them. The results come as parties gear up for the November local government election. The MK party follows on 13%, while Action SA stands at 10%, and EFF, it is reported that is at 8%. Before we go any further, let us watch this video here.
I want everything idea handoga mo country. To the result ya ANC. Ba betile ke governance. No ba tlobolla ka mo go he the ba ka mo kanya le premier ja bona ka mo ka executive le ANC thomonyo go bolla he illegal foreigners what they put us here. Le Somali la mathomo le tile ka papa back le to rekshali di Juve. La rekshali Juve, la rekshali Juve la di Espaza. Kana kwa maburubo ka setsene ka mo wankwa yeah about 15 days 15 days wa tsamaya. People are mad now. But you go blame Jacinta. She has nothing to do with that happening. People are mad and tired, man. Now these foreigners are bullying us now in the country. Lebella the drugs jail, lebella bana ba rena, lebella SAPS lo tse di ya go matlanga. Ke di result ya NC. Go botsa ka batho ba implicated ba go NC. They want us to give them a chance. Government, it must go. South Africa is a beautiful country. As much as we believe, South Africa because of Babona and country. But we have a terrible government, and if we continue to keep this government in power, we are doomed. They are tired of this organization. Believe me, they can't talk. First thing, they want to defend him. They want to defend him. Ramaphosa. Who to resign? Strike us one day. Sit and watch. Sit and watch. Every corner country to taka. Every corner to wala yeah, president to chaba raboshiu. Igwarcha kisahon. NC kyona rile mo. It's hinge anything can think of. Corruption even government is worse. Black people. Communities are suffering. Batho ba kra metsi ka di jojo, batho ba fa metsi ka di traka batho. Ko rena ba rekisha metsi 130 toast na metsi a o kra metsi. Ka mo re vote la di chila. Government ya di chila. Right? So batho ba lapile ka ma foreigner mfowethu. Batho ba lapile ka ma foreigner. Batho ba ngo bana ba bona ke di tatane go di renkeng ke di ka ke injection ke lo tsa di foreigner tje. The politicians they got so worried because of benefit among the drugs. The leader tja di chila, leader tja tsama di fora batho, di re ke tsona di leader, tja di gangster tja go gola batho, tja go rekisha di drugs. The leader tja re beng le tsona. So batho ba lapile mona. People are tired. NC, we blame NC for everything e dianga for non-government lawlessness. Ba go tshwara bo sibia, ba tlola bo sibia, ba go tshwara bo mkhwanazi, ba go tshwara bo. It's funny, man. Ramaphosa, he can't even fire Mkhunu, he can't even fire. It's funny, man. It's funny. Everything is funny in this country. But to balapile, bro. Wangwa. President Tajwa Chaba, NC ne, Matagatola, believe me, it Africa the fall. Pass up Action SA. Pass up. Wangwa. Sit and watch. Sharp.
So this gentleman that you've seen, he's saying that the ANC have failed to manage this country and to run this country. He's saying that they failed dismally. A lot of things has collapsed under their watch. That is why you'll see now that surveys are giving us these results, because things are not looking good. So these people that were surveyed, they responded and they were asked which party they would support if a local government election were to be held at the time of the survey. No party reaches the 50% mark in the polls, meaning that Johannesburg could again face coalition negotiations if the results are reflected at the ballot box, right? So it shows that the people are tired of how the ANC have been treating them, and they are managing this country. When it comes to the ground, when it comes to the people, we have seen that people banning ANC regulars, people are revolting against the ANC, people joining the opposition political parties. Yes, the ANC is also in the ground. They are recruiting, they are promising jobs, they are doing wonders, but a lot of people are not happy. As much as there's still a lot of people who still support the ANC. But remember that the ANC's lot It's not just like the MK party or the EFF slot. The ANC used to be this big, huge political organization. So yes, it still has support, but it has dropped drastically because of how they are managing things. They are promising people things and they don't keep their promising.
Andakwazi ukahaka wena ndiyahaka ungalahli ithemba sizozisa ama-program so that abantu abafana nawe uyabona bakwazi uku-enrolla kulo ma-program sibanikeza i-stipend bathole i-stipend kulo ma-program batrain and then umuntu akwazi ukuthi asebenzise lo training ukuyofuna umsebenzi uyabona yeah in the meantime ungahlali nje ngoba mawuhlala nje itrongo intsango everything else and then kuyaphela kanjalo uyabona but siyabulela ukuthi no ningayibuyela umuva niyovota uyabona siyabulela thank you very much okay.
Even Fikile Mbalula is busy promising people jobs, telling them that the ANC will do better. The ANC, they behave as if they are not in government. They are still giving people promises, but they were supposed to be going to the people to tell the people of their work, of what they have achieved, what they still need to finish, and what is their goal. But they don't. They still use the same technique as they were using it in 20 years ago, 10 years ago, right? So they are not evolving. They are stuck in the past, and the politics today, they want now another game. They want a game changer. They don't want you to use the same technique that you were using in the past because people are tired of lies. What's your take on this? You can leave it on the comment section below, and you can just tell us which party do you think that we are going to vote for. A vote here is not secret. Leave it on the comment section below and let us meet on another video. You can subscribe to this political YouTube channel. Until we meet, and I'm out.